Hello and welcome to another tutorial in Python tricks. In this video we're going to talk about how we can run a part of a code in Python. So let's say I have some lines of code. I have a number which is 10. I have a result variable which is num times 2, and I print it out. If I save it and I run it, here you can see that I have the results. So very simple lines of code. So what if I put them all in a string like this? I put them in a line, and I add some single quotations here. Let's say like this, and I store them in a code variable. If I type exec code and I save it and I run it, here you can see that I can run this code which is in a string. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. For more Python tricks, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification. See you next time.